Hello everyone. Today we are going to make rose pound cake. This was a recipe shared by a close family friend. They make it during Christmas, but I think this cake is so delicious that you can actually make and enjoy all year round. So let's look at the ingredients. We have 250 grams of powdered sugar, 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 100 grams of milk solids. This is called mawa. You can get it in any Indian store. 50 grams of cream of wheat. We have 5 large eggs, 2 sticks of butter, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, half a cup of whole milk, and we'll be using about 1.5 teaspoons of the rose essence. In addition, I have some icings that I'm going to use to decorate the cake when it's finished baking. Okay, so step 1, we will mix all the dry ingredients. So we have 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 250 grams of powdered sugar, 50 grams of cream of wheat, and 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Step 2, we will mix all the other ingredients. I have melted the 2 sticks of butter slightly so it's easier to blend. It goes in first, followed by the milk solids or the mawa, half a cup of whole milk. This just makes it easier to blend. 1-2.5 teaspoons of rose essence, and finally the 5 eggs. Okay, now with all ingredients in the blender, we will mix it for about 2 to 3 minutes until it forms a smooth paste. Once the wet ingredients form a smooth paste, we will mix it with the dry ingredients. And then use a whisk to combine both the dry and the wet ingredients together. Make sure to whisk it and combine it properly. There should be no lumps. It should be a smooth paste. Once we have finished mixing the batter well, we will take a well-greased cake pan. You can take any shape you like and transfer this batter into the cake pan. Once we transfer the batter into the cake pan, we will now move this to the oven. I have the oven preheating here at 355 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10-15 minutes now. So let's transfer the cake to the oven. We will bake in the oven at 355 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 to 50 minutes. After that, we will keep checking to make sure the cake is properly done. So it's been about 50 minutes and the cake looks ready. And can be taken out now. And we're gonna set it aside and let it cool for at least 30 minutes before we can start decorating it. So here you go. The cake turned out really moist and delicious. You can have it with tea, coffee, as a dessert, or as a snack, however you like it. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Also friends, if there is any recipe you would like me to make and post a video of, let me know in the comments. It could be a family favorite or something you found difficult to make. Send it my way and let's get cooking. Thank you for watching.